Hi guys, in this video we're gonna talk about you have been temporarily blocked from performing this action. Yes, this is so important to say about it because this could cause you many problems on your system side. Firstly, you need to get up into what that means because when you get into some trouble, into some problem, you need to make sure what is that. Now, first of all, we need to talk about why this error occurs, and Facebook Messenger sometimes show temporary blocked error when you send a message or a friend request to some account. Yes, this could be because of a particular reason or a combination of reasons that Facebook saw it fit to temporarily block some of your actions to ensure you comply with Facebook community standards. And your temporary block can range from a few hours to a maximum of 21 days. The actual reasons for your account getting temporary blocked could be one or all these mentionable setups. The first will be that you have sent lots of messages to random Facebook accounts. The second will be that your messages go against Facebook community standards. And now you're asking yourself how you're gonna fix this exception. It is important to know that it is only temporary even though you are blocked and cannot send any messages, media or friend requests right now. All such blocks included by policy violations are for some time only. As I said before, they range from just a few hours to a maximum during of 21 days. The duration of the block depends on the severity of policy violation, and when you get up into the section, you need to make sure that you're getting up through the whole process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon, guys.